Hey, what's up guys, and welcome to another video. So in this video, I'm going to be showing you my new project car and second build. This is going to be the first car on the channel that I'm actually rebuilding. On my Instagram, I have my old Yaris that I have rebuilt, but it's all pictures. I never made a video on that. But this one is going to be actually documented and all that. So it's a 2011 Nissan Maxima SV with the tech package, and it has 147,000 miles, not 170. So it got into a front end accident. Let's pop the hood. So batteries that this car came in at midnight this morning. So I had to take the battery out my car and put it in here so I could jump start it. But nothing in here is damaged, so that's a good thing. So the only thing that needs to be replaced is both fenders, fender bracket, bumper, hood, obviously. AC and all that hasn't got damaged. The front bumper reinforcement has to be replaced. It's kind of crushed over here, but it didn't hit anything. And of course, it needs a deep cleaning because this car hasn't, before I purchased it, it was just sitting at auction for like a year. There's some of the headlight that's still left. So everything else is pretty much good on the car, as you can see. I'll be doing chrome delete. They got the full panoramic sunroof. I'm not entirely sure what happened to this front bumper. It got paint chipping all over the place. This got pushed in, but that could easily be pushed out. Other than that, car is perfectly fine. Now for the interior, and that's the battery that came with the car, completely shot. In the interior, this has to get replaced. I gotta reattach this back to where it was, and also deep cleaning just in the front. The back ain't that bad. The back looked pretty much new. It looked like nobody ever sat in the back. No wear and tear on the rear seats. The floor's kind of dirty. That's about it. And I got the, like I said, panoramic sunroof. Of course, the battery's dead, so I gotta get a whole another battery. And like I said, deep cleaning. But for a first start last night, it cranked it right up. I also got the little pedal shifters. Of course, I got the CVT. But I'll be adding a transmission cooler, a secondary transmission cooler, to prolong the life of the CVT. But I got plans to save money to do a 6-speed manual swap on this car and then boost it. And I can't say boost it for this one because everybody around in this area knows how to tune these cars, and it's in a variety of cars: 350, 350Z, Infinity G, 35, 37, yada yada yada. All those cars got the same exact motor, the VQ35, if I'm not mistaken. So, and I couldn't do a delivery video because my camera sucks at night. That's why I don't really do any pictures or videos at night, because my camera sucks at night. So that's the walk around overview of this car. I paid $1,175 and then $375 to ship it from New York down to Virginia, where I'm at. And that's pretty much it. There's nothing else really on the car. Car is perfect other than the front end and that airbag. So stay tuned. I already ordered most of the parts for this front end, so it'll be here within this week, next week. Bumper is supposed to take 2-3 weeks to get here because I'm getting it painted. Everything's getting painted to match before it ships to me. So all those is going to take a while. As soon as they start coming in, this front end be getting rebuilt. Whenever it stops freaking raining, I can get back to my car over there. So I have 2 builds going on. That's not really a build, it's just a maintenance car. But that's it. Stay tuned. I'll catch you on the next one. Peace.